Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel GoPro Club. In this video, we're going to share our top tips for building a profitable and scalable business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, these tips will help you achieve long-term success. Tip number 1. Identify a profitable niche. The first step in building a profitable and scalable business is to identify a profitable niche. This means finding a specific market or customer segment that has a clear need or demand for your product or service. By focusing on a niche, you can differentiate your business from competitors and build a loyal customer base. Tip number 2. Develop a unique value proposition. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to develop a unique value proposition that sets your business apart from competitors. This means determining what makes your product or service different or better than others on the market. By crafting a clear and compelling value proposition, you can attract more customers and increase sales. Tip number 3. Create a comprehensive business plan. To build a profitable and scalable business, you need to have a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, financial projections, and timelines. This plan should include details on your target market, competition, marketing and sales strategies, operations, and financial projections. By having a clear plan in place, you can stay focused on your goals and track your progress along the way. Tip number 4. Build a strong team. No business can succeed without a strong team of talented professionals. As you grow your business, it's important to hire employees who share your vision and are committed to your success. This means finding people who are not only skilled in their field but also aligned with your company's culture and values. Tip number 5. Develop a scalable business model. To build a scalable business, you need to develop a business model that can grow with your company. This means finding ways to automate processes, leverage technology, and outsource tasks as needed. By developing a scalable business model, you can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and generate more revenue over time. Tip number 6. Establish strong systems and processes. To ensure that your business operates smoothly and efficiently, you need to establish strong systems and processes for all aspects of your business. This means developing systems for marketing and sales, operations, customer service, and financial management. By having efficient systems in place, you can streamline your business operations and focus on growth. Tip number 7. Focus on customer satisfaction. Finally, to build a profitable and scalable business, you need to make customer satisfaction a top priority. This means providing exceptional service, listening to customer feedback, and addressing concerns promptly. By focusing on customer satisfaction, you can build a loyal customer base and generate more revenue over time. So there you have it, our top tips for building a profitable and scalable business. By following these tips and staying focused on your goals, you can achieve long-term success and build a business that generates sustainable profits and growth. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on building a successful business.